In today's video, I'll be explaining to you how you can solve this mathematical question. Now, looking at this, we have this can be x raised to the power of 12 being equal to 81 raised to the power of x. Now, we can also say this should be x raised to the power of 12 equal to 3 raised to the power of 4 all into the bracket of x, because 3 raised to the power of 4 gives us 81. So now this can be x raised to the power of 12 being equal to 3 raised to the power of 4x. Now looking at this, I can say we should take the log of both sides. That is, we have ln x raised to the power of 12 equal to ln 3 raised to the power of 4x. Okay, now looking at this, the rule of log is log a b equal to b log a. Okay, so since we're having something like this, then this will be 12 ln x. Then this side will also be 4x ln 3. Okay, now looking at this, I'm looking for x, of course. So what do? I'll divide both sides by 4 ln 3. That is, dividing by 4 ln 3. I'll also divide this side by 4 ln 3. So it means that 4 ln 3 will cancel out this. Then I'll have x to be equal to 12 ln x divided by 4 ln 3. Okay, now 4 can cancel out 12, which will be 3 ln x divided by ln 3. Now the answer to this particular is that x is equal to 3 log 3x. Okay, so this is the final answer to this particular problem. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Thank you.